Hello everybody and welcome back to my home, or welcome to my home if you are new here. My name is Ashley Marie and this is my bathroom. I am clearly just clearing the space now because I want to paint in here today. I am moving soon. I am filming a huge moving vlog series for you guys, but I specifically needed to clean the bathroom tonight. I figured while the kids were going to be going down to sleep anyway, I could tackle the painting. I would love it if you consider subscribing and coming back next time to my home for another homemaking inspiration video, whether that be cleaning, organizing, and of course those moving vlogs I told you about. So I'm just dusting in here because I want to get the room as prepped as possible. I need to put up painter's tape. We're sanding this patch here because it's actually the reason I wanted to paint the walls. When I always put one of those renter-friendly commando hooks up, I fully consider it's going to rip the paint off, which is exactly what it did. And usually I would just paint it the actual color the walls already are. However, I don't know the exact color and I think it would be so much nicer and brighter in here with white. Since I have the permission from the owners to paint anyway, we're just going to paint white.
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. This high up above from the ground, we're closer to heaven.
I've started the painting process obviously by cutting in with an angled brush, and I find the process really quite therapeutic at the time, so I did quite a bit of it by hand, and then we're going to move on to a roller.
Forget this for the rest of my life. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, we're closer to heaven. We're closer to heaven. Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, we're closer to heaven. Closer to heaven. We're closer to heaven.
If you are new here, I'm a mum to my two girls. I got two babies, one being 2 years old and one only being 7 months. She is teething like no tomorrow, and it caused this whole painting of the bathroom to take way longer than it probably should have. In fact, probably hours longer than it should have. So I'm not going to go into all the extras that I usually do for my bathroom cleaning routine. If you'd like to see that, I will link it down in the description box below because I have filmed it before. But yeah, I just want bleach. I want it white, I want it bright, I want it clean and fresh and ready to go for the morning. Because we're painting the whole house right now, it felt really therapeutic to have such like a clean, spacious area, especially when I walked in the morning and it was nice and white.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh,
Now that I've scrubbed out the shower, the bath and the basin, I am going to leave the bleach to sit and work for me for 10 minutes while I tackle the second coat on this particular wall.
Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
I've decided for the evening I'm going to leave the window open and the blind down for a couple of reasons. I want the window to be open because I want the paint fumes to escape as much as possible, but the blind being down not only for privacy for the evening, but also because it has like that weird indent from being in the same position rolled up for too long. So by rolling it down, I'm allowing like the weight of itself to pull that dent down. It'll be out in there, no problem. It's kind of like when you put too heavy of a furniture on carpet, eventually it will lift out. God knows how long it could take though. And if you have followed me for a while on my channel, you know I love to shop for my own home. I've recently popped this lamp in here and it was actually going to go in like the sell me / donate me pile, but you know, I'm about to move. I don't know if there's going to be another space somewhere in the new house that I'm going to want to put it. So I'm finding it so hard to declutter right now. If you guys have ever moved, you know it's just such an anxious time. You want to bring everything, you want to bring nothing. This basket here as well was recently used as like baby blankets and that sort of thing in the lounge room. But as my babies are getting older, they don't need just like 10 blankets being in the lounge room anymore. So I've moved it into the bathroom and I'm actually going to put the towels in there. It is the next day now where I'm painting the other parts of the wall for the second coat. I'm just cutting in for the moment and I'm going to go back in and use the roller after. But as I said earlier, I am doing a huge moving vlog series for you guys. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, because I'd love to have you come back for the next one. And until then, be safe.